awesome people, welcome to another toy review. This time it is a Minnie Mouse playset. This is the huge, the awesome Minnie's house, and it is from Fisher Price. And we also get two figures included to play with.
Oh yeah!
Let's see what we get inside the box. So here is everything that was in the box, and wow, there is lots and lots of it. Lots to be having fun with, lots to be playing with. But for now, let's put it together and see what it looks like when it is constructed. And here it is, guys. It is so huge. You can see it is going off into the clouds.
That is crazy.
So let's go in for a closer look.
Hey guys!
So let's start on the ground floor and see exactly what we get included.
Hey guys!
We do have this lounger chair for outside for Minnie to enjoy the sun.
Cool! Beautiful! Ah, so cute! Hello!
We do get lots more furniture inside of the ground floor. We have a television set for Minnie to watch some awesome TV programs on. We have a couch for Minnie to sit on.
Yay! Hi guys!
We have a pink dining table for Minnie to eat her meals off.
Wow!
We have two very pretty light pink chairs for using at the dining table.
Ooh, pretty!
We have a refrigerator that does open, and inside we have some of Minnie's favourite food. And we also have an oven as well, so Minnie can cook some awesome pies for her and her friends, and she has one inside the oven already.
I like cakes.
You can also open the front door. On the next level we get a toilet. We have a basin with a reflective heart mirror. We have a chair for Minnie's computer desk. And we have the computer desk to go with it. We have Minnie's very pretty pink bed.
Sleepy, 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 sleepy.
And we have Minnie's very stylish bathtub.
Washing my face with a soap.
And now we are very high up on the top floor.
I'm scared.
On this floor we have Minnie's cat.
Meow. Meow.
We also have the bed for Minnie's cat as well. And finally we have the cat bowl to put the water and the cat food inside.
Meow. Hey guys. Hi guys.
And down the side we have the big purple steps for Minnie to come down on. So there you have it guys, the awesome Minnie's house from Fisher Price. Great fun for the younger toy fan. Well, thanks for watching this toy review, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.